All right, let's change out this contactor. So the client opted to change this out because it is burnt. We got a nice cool breeze right now. Oh, that feels good. Look at that. Come on. Would you leave that in the homeowner system? All right, new contactor installed, new blower motor. Now let's get to this evap coil cleaning. But always make the homeowners aware that once they kick on this system, there is going to be some dust because it's everything that's been accumulating on this evaporative coil for 3 years. She hasn't had a maintenance. So I did let her know prior to me beginning.